In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix packet loss on Xbox or fix Xbox packet loss 100% problem. So first of all, you just have to open your Xbox. So if you're experiencing Xbox high packet loss, you just have to do this. So when you are in your press the Xbox button on your controller, go to profile and system, and then go to settings, and then go to network and settings, and select network speed and statistics. And there will be a moment where the Xbox calculates these figures, and then it will display the details of your connection, including the packet loss as a percentage. So a little packet loss is sometimes normal, but should be less than 3%. Anything over that isn't good, and anything over 10% is going to cause extreme issues like those mentioned above. So make sure you have copied this to your browser, and these are alternatives to do to fix that problem. So switch to a wired connection rather than Wi-Fi, because a wired connection usually have a faster bandwidth and a connection too. So check to see if other apps or devices are using the connection, and reset your router and connection, and check for official sources and social media accounts to see if the fault is at the other end. So may so sometimes this fault is also the game itself or the console itself. So make sure to contact or just message the Xbox support. That's it.